Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by applying key light and sampling the green screen. Do this after removing obvious hot pixels and setting your project to linear color where needed. You want a single clean key pass. Pick a representative green, then switch the view to screen matte to see transparency. Once done, increase clip black slightly to remove noise and reduce clip white only enough to retain hair detail. Make sure to leave room for edge cleanup. This key is your foundation, not the finished matte. Now focus on the tough middle. Refine the matte using screen matte sliders to tighten small leaks, then add matte choker to remove unwanted fringing. Use small values first and preview at 100%. After choking, add a subtle feather to soften harsh boundaries so the subject blends with background. For hair and translucent edges, use Refine Matte or the Advanced Spill Suppressor. These preserve fine detail while cleaning color fringing. Make sure to toggle between RGB and alpha to confirm natural edge transitions. Finish by addressing color and integration. Apply Advanced Spill Suppressor to remove remaining green cast, then pre-compose the keyed layer so you can grade and add subtle grain that matches plate texture. If edges still flicker, enable motion blur or render a test segment. For persistent artifacts, use a garbage matte to exclude problem areas or do manual roto on a few frames. If things go wrong, check linear vs. Gamma workflow and reevaluate key sample. Often resampling the screen color fixes unexpected matte shift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.